I swear, this Coke machine was a sanctuary for wasp. So in part 4, we're going to go ahead and disassemble the coin bezel and everything that goes with it. That will include some very deep cleaning and scrubbing. And the removal of these godforsaken wasp nests. These things are everywhere on this freaking machine. They're so disgusting. This isn't working, so I'm just going to go ahead and disassemble it and clean it that way. Starting off by ridding this hinge from pieces of that wasp nest that's left over up there. Still disgusting. Didn't clean up too bad. Thank God these things didn't smell, because with the sight of this and the smell of this, I'd probably throw up. Yes, I know, I'm a big sissy. Man, that nest was a trooper, am I right? The display lettering is still in pretty great condition.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
This chrome coin bezel is one of 2 pieces I'm going to have to send out to get re-chromed.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
I'm going to attempt to reuse that trim piece, but we'll see.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Thanks for watching part 4. I know there wasn't a whole lot we got into, but there's a reason behind that, but we'll get into that later. So, anyways, thanks for watching.